I'm Andrew Lowsutea President. Hey, anyway, we are so good to have you to join us again to get some new recipe. It's delicious. It's only 2 gram carbs. What is that going to be? It's going to be Quiche Lorraine. And it's going to be very delicious, and it also can serve about 6 to 8 people. So very, very good. Only 2 gram carb. A lot of people ask for good recipe because they say, well, you know, it's getting cold. We need something that is very servable during dinner and is very delicious, and the entire family can enjoy it. Hi， 各位朋友，我係 Andrew Lowsutea Recipe 你好。嗱，其實好多糖友咧，同埋前期患病嘅糖友咧，都話：喂 Andrew 啊，我想做啲嘢咧，大家都可以食，唔使話淨係有糖尿病嘅人士食，或者有前期患病嘅食，其實成家都食到，又要好食，又要好味，但係全部都用到嘅。咁今次咧就有一個好嘅dinner 俾你，係叫做Quiche Lorraine， 好容易做。同埋咧，仲有咧係只係2 gram 嘅碳水化合物嘅啫，咁係 very good。裏邊咧有咩即係嘅 ingredient 有咩咧 ？So let's talk about the ingredient. Okay, first of all, you need to have 6 egg. You can see 6 egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to have 2 cup, a half cup of cream, which is right here. 1 quarter cup of milk here. And then you're gonna have half cup of cheddar cheese, and then you have quarter cup of sweet cheese, which is sweet cheese right here, and then you have 6 slices of bacon, and 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 cup of total fresh spinach. So, and then you have some pepper and black pepper and salt. So very simple. Ingredient. I will go through the step everything. Okay. Now 做呢個餐咧係真係十分容易。第一要6隻雞蛋，第二咧就係半杯嘅 cream， 呢啲 cream。OK， 然後1/4嘅cup of milk， 然後咧就一半杯嘅half cup of 呢個半杯嘅 cheddar cheese 啦。同埋仲有咧係1/4 cup 嘅sweet cheese 啦，同埋咧6條呢個bacon。咁然後咧仲有咧最後咧就係1 cup 嘅 spinach。好簡單原料嚟講 ，OK。咁我依家開始啦。嗱，首先第一我哋要開始咧就去煮呢個bacon。So first step we want to do is we will cook our bacon. So I'm going to put my bacon into my pan and stir fry it until it cooks. Okay, so I'm doing that now. So it takes a little time to cook. And after you cook the bacon, what we'll do is we're going to put it in here and let it dry a bit to get all the oil into here. Okay, so that's what we'll do. But anyway, let's cook that first. You can see the bacon is cooking already, but we will cook a little bit more. Wow, it's already started very fragrant and smell good. Actually, from now on, I try to make looking for a recipe which is so easy to make, everybody can enjoy, and also the family can enjoy. It's not only diabetic enjoy, but you have to go to family enjoy. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. 嗱，我依家糖友咧。其實我依家可以做啲 recipe 咧，要容易做嘅，但係容易做之中咧，仲要咧所有糖友唔係話淨係即係前期患病者，成家都可以食得嘅，哇咁幾開心！因為咧佢話：哇原來你食嘅嘢仲好食過我嗰啲，咪真係好幾好。即係依家我哋係盡量做呢樣嘅，所以變咗嚟講，你睇下嗱，呢啲 bacon 咧，呢度係咁慢慢煮緊啦，依家嚇幾好咁very good。咁你大概煮多大概so we'll cook another 2 more minutes. We pretty much I would say done. So and then we will basically put it onto this pan here to ensure that all the oil drip into my cooking pan. So I have a pan here, you can see. Pretty much. in about, 1 more minute, we should pretty much complete. Okay, so we'll continue to cook and almost done. And you can see a lot of oil came out already. And we're going to use this oil actually to cook, put into the plate. And when we make the Quiche Lorraine, we can do that. Okay, it's very, very good, easy to do. So very, very good. And we're cooking some more. I think that's excellent. Okay, so and as I said, now I'm going to make a lot of dishes. It's going to be easy. So now I think we're pretty much done, and I'm going to start moving this out of the dish. Let's see, it's a little bit more, and I think we soon we can able to put it out. Okay, so continue to stir. Now you notice there's a lot of oil came out. By the way, you can see there's a lot of oil came out. Yeah, we'll cook a little bit longer. I think we'll be pretty much done soon. About another maybe 1 more minute will do, and will be delicious because when you cook this, the bacon is going to be all crispy, and when you put it into chewing it in the Quiche Lorraine, you can feel the bacon, and also you can really good. And so this is pretty good. Okay, so now I think it'll be done now, and then we're going to turn up the fire. And so now we're going to put it into. Okay, let's see. Okay, now, oh wow, it's really nice. Look at that. It's all brown now. You see? Your bacon and cooked to be brown is really all brown. And then I'm going to put it into this thing over here. This is my little bit container to get all the oil on there. So now the next step is actually it's very simple. The next step is we've got the eggs. We're going to make the eggs. So we're going to get the eggs all mixed up, and so that's what I'm going to do first. And basically mix up the eggs, and there's 6 eggs all together. And then so we'll do that now. 6 eggs. You're going to fluff it and make sure that it's all ready to go. And it's also very easy to do. And you can do it really, really good and easy. You can see? And you can very easy to do. And basically mix it all and just mix it well. Just make sure you get the eggs really well fluffed. Okay? Okay, now what I will do is now I'm going to put the cream onto it and continue to mix, and then after that we're going to put the cream, and then we'll put the milk, and then we'll put the cheese. Okay, so we'll do that now. So we're going to put in the cream. So nice, it's so easy, it's not hard. Okay, now we're going to put the cream. Now just continue to put the cream. And then we're going to put the milk now. So we're now putting the milk and continue to mix. You see, everything just mixed together, very easy. And then after that, we're going to put the cheese. This is the spinach, 1 cup of spinach. So we're going to take the spinach now, put in there. So now we just put in. It's going to be also very good. So, yep, we got everything there. It's going to be a very tasty and very healthy too. Okay. So after that, we're going to next step after finish mixing, we will actually next step is putting the cheese. Actually, we will hold on. Let me continue to mix some more, and I will turn up the camera for now. And then we'll prepare the next step, okay? We just go make sure, mix some more, make sure everything mixed. So I'll turn on the camera right now. Alright, back. So I removed my stove, make our working space a little more easier. So remaining, your ingredient is really I removed most of the actual bacon oil. Took it out. That was too much oil anyway. So I removed that. So, but I use this oil to sort of grease the pan. 嗱，頭先咧我已經將嗰啲有 bacon 嘅油咧就已經掉咗佢啦，但係有時候翻些少咧就將佢全部咧去將嗰個煲 pan 咧係油咗佢，咁就會係好混長咁樣油佢。咁喺呢度咧亦都睇到咧，所以我發晒嗰啲雞蛋6隻雞蛋啦、cream 啦、milk 啦，同埋呢個spinach 啦，同埋些少鹽同埋呢個胡椒粉，咁呢 mix 晒喺度啦。咁其實都好靚仔咁 mix 晒佢先。So I had actually mixed all the ingredient with the half cup of cream and 1/4 cup of milk, and also the one whole cup of spinach. So it's all mixed up here now. Okay, so you gotta make sure it's mixed up well. Okay, now so the next step, I will bring my cheddar cheese. I will just put it all around the whole plate. Make sure evenly have it all, in the entire cup. Make sure everything is covered. So 依家咧我就將個 cheddar cheese 咧全部咧放到佢全部每一個角落喺隻碟嗰度咧都有齊晒嘅，你睇下 ，OK？ So okay, that's all you gotta do. Now you can see that's what I did. The whole plate, I have it all. You can see? Okay, good. Now 咁然後擺咗 cheddar cheese 之後咧，咁就擺咩咧？擺依個bacon 啦。So I will put bacon everywhere. Make sure you get 即係全部都有嘅。So all the corner you're gonna have the bacon. So don't miss any place. Make sure so everybody cut. So you know the people get bacon, get everything. Okay? Okay, good. Now we got done. So then next step is very simple now. 咁擺咗 bacon 之後咧，咁就擺依個落去啦。依個 OK， 咁慢慢擺晒佢落去。嗱，好容易嘅啫。咁make sure 每個地方有啲菜啦，唔好有啲冇啦。OK， everywhere you gotta have some vegetable. Make sure everything gotta have some vegetable. Everything to have it. Make it even. Okay, so I'm actually putting all the eggs into here. So very simple. So make sure you got everything. Okay, so now you make sure you spread the spinach everywhere. Okay, that's what you gonna do. You spread everywhere. Now then the last step is you're gonna have your other cheese. We have gonna have sweet cheese, a quarter sweet cheese. You put on top. Okay， 依家最後咧就擺個 sweet cheese 一路上喺上面啦。OK， 擺晒喺上面。咁又擺到勻勻喎，要全部都有晒 cheese 嘅喎。OK，so you spread the cheese on top, everything. Okay, cheese. So actually it's cheese. Okay, good. There we go. I think we got pretty much everything. 嗱，整好晒之後咧，就變咗係咁樣嘅。Okay. So after you get everything, so you spread out, the cheese are all there. So after you do everything, this is how it look like. Okay. Now the next step is you have your oven go for 180 degree or 350 degree, and we'll bake it for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. So 180 degree C or 350 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So we will go put this into the oven and start off the 25 minute to 30 minute bake. Okay. So now we'll do that and we'll come back after it finish. Oh, sorry. And then we'll come back and then we can see that here. Go into our oven. The oven is already preheated. So now we're going to wait for another 25-30 minutes. We'll come right back. We'll shut off the camera now. See you later. Hi, Angela, I'm back. Now I just heard the oven go ding, so the the Lorraine is really ready to take out from the oven. Now I cooked it for 30 minutes already. 35 minutes, sorry, 35 minutes instead of 25 because I keep trying to see where it will be cooked, but it didn't cook. So now it should be cooked. But I would take a look and try it and see. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out from my oven and bring it out here a little bit and put it in my pan. Oh, it looks really good. Look at that, how nice. Now what you usually do is I use a little stick to go in there and go push through and it come out, nothing stick, no, the eggs didn't come out, so then you know this is cooked. So this is the Lorraine, actually is very nicely cooked. You can see how beautiful that is. You see how nice, wonderful. You see how nice? Wow, this is so good. Now the next step is I will try a little bit. 好好食嘅，你睇下嗱，其實咧就你睇到我就係揾個 stick 落去睇下係咪煮熟咗咧。如果啲蛋都黐埋出嚟咧，即係未熟啦。咁我焗咗35分鐘㗎啦，今次就係焗耐咗嘅。咁我試些少出嚟先。OK。哇，好香啊，好香啊！哇 so fragrant, very nice. So take a look, see is it good? It looks something like this. You can see, okay? So I'll try just a little bit. It's perfect for a cold day, and also during this winter or spring. It's beautiful for lunch or dinner. It's excellent. Okay, it's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit. 咁咧，呢個如果冬天食啊，或者即係春天啊、晏晝 dinner 啊都得嘅。OK， 咁就好味嘅。你睇後邊咧就有嗰啲 cheese 啦，同埋仲有啲 bacon 啦喺晒度啦，同埋仲有嗰個啲雞蛋啦再加埋 spinach 啦好香，你睇下幾好 ？Look at that, it's wonderful. It smells delicious. Okay, let's see. Very good. And it tastes a very good egg. And it also tastes like, especially with the bacon, it's such a very delicious, easy to make, and it's a very healthy 8-gram carbs. Lorraine, it's wonderful. So, actually the Lorraine is 2-gram carbs. Sorry, 2-gram carb Lorraine. So it's a very good. Quiche Lorraine is extremely good. It's 2-gram. Quiche Lorraine is absolutely wonderful, and it has good vegetable in here. That with the spinach, you have a little bacon and eggs, and very cheesy. So 2-gram is delicious Quiche Lorraine. So enjoy this, and I'll see you next time. 2-gram 嘅 carb 碳水化合物係呢個Quiche Lorraine 嘅，好雞蛋夠晒營養，亦都有好嘅spinach 喺裏邊，咁同埋有些 bacon 咧，令到呢個整個食物咧又健康又好食，成家都可以食。OK，so enjoy，多謝晒，再見。